Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decor Center. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage farmhouse inspired home decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage farmhouse inspired home decor is a warm, nostalgic decorating style that mixes old-fashioned charm with country simplicity. It feels cozy, lived-in, and full of character, almost like stepping into a quiet, rustic countryside home where everything tells a story. Our vintage farmhouse inspired home decor is vintage farmhouse decor blends vintage style, like old timeless pieces, distressed finishes, antique-looking items, soft muted colors. Next, farmhouse charm is simple, practical furniture, natural materials like wood, jute, cotton, and linen. Cozy, warm atmosphere, country-style touches. Together, they create a home that feels rustic, nostalgic, and peacefully simple. Vintage farmhouse decor feels cozy, warm, peaceful, nostalgic, simple yet charming. It is like blending old memories with country comfort. The heart of the style, comfort plus history. Vintage farmhouse decor is not modern or flashy. Its main goal is to create a home that feels lived in, peaceful, and full of stories. You will see items that look aged, weathered, handmade, passed down from grandparents. This gives the decor a soul of personality. Textures are very important. The feeling of touch is a big part of this style. Common textures: rough wood, reclaimed barn wood, rustic shelves, soft linens, screens and cushions. Chunky nets like shawls, blanket covers, galvanized metal like basket, trays, and old tents. Wicker and rattan, basket trays, chairs. Mixing these textures make the room feel warm and natural. Furniture should look practical, not fancy. Farmhouse furniture comes from a use. What you have mindset. Typical pieces include large wooden farm tables, simple wooden benches, old cupboards with glass doors, distressed sideboards, vintage rocking chairs, most pieces looking strong, simple, and slightly old. Imperfection is beautiful. Vintage farmhouse decor celebrate this. Chipped paint, faded colors, old patina, mismatched items. Why? Because these imperfections show age and charm. Nothing needs to look brand new. Next, color palette is soft and earthy. The color creates peach and simplicity. Main colors: white, cream, beige, dusty gray, pastel green, muted blue, and warm brown. Accent colors: rust, mustard yellow, charcoal. The color should feel calm and natural. Decorations inspired by farm life. Small details bring the farmhouse look to life. Often used items: enamel kitchenware, milk cans, wooden cutting boards, iron hooks, mason jars, ceramic pitchers, oven baskets, and old lanterns. This reminds you of simple countryside living. Wall art and accessories. Vintage farmhouse wall decor usually includes old window frames, farmhouse coats, antique mirrors, rustic sign, landscapes or botanical paintings, black and white family photos. They add nostalgia and warmth. Natural light and airy spaces. Farmhouse homes prefer big windows, sheer curtains, sunlight, fresh air. Light makes the picture shine and the room feel open. Handmade and DIY elements. Vintage farmhouse decor often includes handmade items because these styles celebrate their simplicity. Examples: DIY distressed wooden shelves, hand painted sign, homemade messenger centerpieces, jute shop crafts, rustic table mats, perfect mat. This adds a personal cozy touch. Overall mood. Winter's farmhouse decor feels like a peaceful countryside morning, a warm, old home filled with memories, a place where time moves slower. It creates a feeling of safety, nostalgia, and comfort. The emotional core of this style, Winter's farmhouse decor creates a feeling of nostalgia, reminding you of older, simpler days. Warmth. Everything feels soft and welcoming. Stability. Use solid wood, practical furniture. Quiet comfort. Nothing feels too modern or fast-packed. This style tells your brain, relax, you are home. It is especially loved by people who want a peaceful, solo living environment. The materials tells the story. Vintage farmhouse decor depends on authentic natural materials. Most common materials: raw wood, reclaimed, distressed, or unfinished; cotton and linen, lighted fabrics; galvanized metal, use old buckets, trays, mugs; wicker and rattan, use baskets, chairs; ceramics and pottery, handmade bowls, jugs; glass, vintage jars, clear bottles; iron and brass, handles, knobs, hooks. These materials give a sense of handmade craftsmanship and history. Signature farmhouse furniture characteristics. Farmhouse furniture is large, like big tables, wide cabinets. Simple, clean lines, practical shapes. Heavy and durable, use solid wood, not polished, matte or distressed finish. The furniture is made to be used, not just displayed. Vintage elements that add soul. Here are items that instantly add personality. Old kitchen tools. Use wooden rolling pins, enamel mugs, iron kettles. Vintage storage. Outlet craters, old trunks, vintage style shops. Decorative items is classic alarm clock from house sign, botanical prints, framed old letters or postcards. Each item brings a feeling of history. Farmhouse color philosophy. The colors are chosen to create calmness. Base color is white, cream, soft gray, and warm brown. These colors make the space feel bigger and brighter. Accent colors: trees green for nature and peace, dusty blue for calm and fresh. Mustard, warm, vintage touch, soft black for grounding. Everything stayed muted, never too bright or loud. Layout and styling tips. Vintage farmhouse design usually follows open, breathable spaces. Furniture is spec'd out, never turned. Symmetry plus balance. Two lamps, two basket, matching cushions for visual calmness. Layering. Multiple textures together. Use linen curtains, soft cotton cushions, knitted through. Functional decor. Decoration should also be useful. Creators for storage, jars for utensils, basket for blankets. Nothing is only for show. Lighting style. Vintage farmhouse lighting includes warm yellow bulbs, lantern-inspired fixtures, rustic candelabras, metal or glass lamps. The goal is warm, cozy, gentle lighting, never harsh or too bright. Nature is part of the decor. Vintage farmhouse homes often include fresh flowers, dyed lavender, leafy branches, herbs in ceramic pots. They add life, scent, and a countryside feeling. Vintage patterns and prints. Soft, nostalgic patterns stay in the farmhouse mood. Common prints, checks and gingham. Small floral designs, stripes, tall patterns, handed and script prints. They feel classic and beautiful. Why people love this style? Because it feels stable, warm, peaceful, homely, authentic, soft and simple. It is a gentle escape from modern stress and noise. The philosophy behind the style. Vintage farmhouse decor follows three core principles. First, simplicity. Everything is unpretentious, natural, and easy to live with. Sentiment. Every object feels like it has a past, handmade, inherited, or discovered. Function first. Items used for decoration are originally made for real farm life. This creates a home that is emotionally warm and visually calming. The farmhouse soul storytelling through objects. Vintage farmhouse decor turns your home into a storybook. Items that tell a story. A chipped enamel pictures, an old crane sack pillow, a wooden craft with faded lettering, a weathered barn door repurposed as a table. Mason jars filled with dried flowers, wicker baskets that look handmade. Each item whispers, I have lived a life before this. This emotional storytelling is what makes the style so unique. The atmosphere, solemn, quiet, and calm. Vintage farmhouse decor creates a vibe that feels morning sunlight through linen curtains. The smell of wooden shelves, soft cracking floors, gentle warmth. The feeling is like visiting a peaceful countryside cottage. The atmosphere is as important as the decor itself. Visual rhythm. How the style looks balanced. Vintage farmhouse has a very specific visual balance. Chark plus light. Light walls with chark vintage furniture create depth. Old and new. Vintage mirrors plus new cozy sofas equal perfect harmony. Rough plus soft. Rough wood plus soft cushions. Metal buckets plus linen fabrics. This contrast gives the room personality without chaos. Materials authentic and honest. Vintage farmhouse avoids anything that looks too artificial. Most valued materials aged oak, pine wood, raw metal, stoneware, cotton, linen, burlap, pottery clay, reclaimed beams. These materials feel grounded and timeless. Patterns quiet and nostalgic. Soft patterns help bring a gentle charm. Common farmhouse prints like ticking stripes, mini florals, gingham checks, tall prints, crane stripes. These patterns will vintage without being overwhelming. Details make the difference. Vintage farmhouse decor is all about small touches. Examples: a stack of old books with yellowed pages, antique frames laid on a shelf, a rustic tray holding herbs in jars, lace-edged tablecloth, crocheted or knitted table mats, handwritten labels on storage jars. These tiny elements create the full farmhouse mood. Room by room styling overview. Living room use sleep-covered sofas, wooden coffee tables with a rough finish, chunky lint throws, windows wall clocks, wicker baskets for storing blankets. Next, kitchen. Use open wooden shelves, enamel cookware on display, mason jars for spices, wooden cutting boards, hanging like art, green safety towels. Bedroom. Use iron or wooden bed frames, layered bedding like cotton plus linen plus quilt. Windows bedside tables, soft floral pillows, rustic candles. Entryway use wooden benches, often baskets under setting, wall hooks with heads or scarves, a mirror with a distress frame. White always stays trending. Windows from House Decor never goes out of style because it is cozy, it is simple, it is timeless. It connects emotionally. In celebrates craftsmanship, it is budget friendly. Many DIY options. People love a home that feels meaningful and peaceful. The essence of Windows Farmhouse rooted in memory, shaped by simplicity. This style comes from old rural farmhouses, handmade craftsmanship, tradition passed down through generations. Nature-centered living. It blends nostalgia, function, and comfort in one harmonized experience. Windows Farmhouse Decor is not only a style, it is a feeling. Cultural influence behind the style. Windows Farmhouse blends elements from American rural homes, simple, practical, handmade items. English countryside cottages uses floral prints, soft colors, and cozy layering. French farmhouse or French provincial. Elegant distressed furniture, neutral tones. Scandinavian farmhouse, clean lines, lots of lights, natural wood. This mix creates a style that feels universal and timeless. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.